So it's raining. What's up, guys? Thank you for coming to this channel. Today we're gonna recreate this cool text animation in Blender. Yeah, so get ready. Now please subscribe to this channel and like for YouTube algorithm. Thank you. Let's start. So let's just delete everything and press 7 on the numpad. Now add the text and go to the paragraph options and center the text. Now go to geometry and extrude a little bit. Now slide down to bevel and on depth make it about 0.04. Now press tab and change the text to something that you want. I'm gonna put subscribe because that's what I want you to do. So do it. Now add a curve and select the curve to circle curve. Now press tab and just make sure that the curve goes around the text and use GX and GY. Now add the light and go to constraint and add follow path and select the curve. Make sure you are on 0 and press that small circle. Now go to frame 60 and change the number to 100 and again press the circle. It's now a polygon. Now if we play the animation, you see that the light will go around. Woo! Now let's go to the render mode. You see that the background is just not good. So go to the world options and change it to black. Now select the text and make it more metallic and less rough for it to be a little bit shiny. Now select the light and make the strength to 57.8. Now make sure you understand this.
Now don't make it 57.9 or 57.7.
I'm just kidding. You can do whatever you want. Now change the color to whatever you want. I'm gonna put blue. Now let's duplicate the light with Shift D and make it red. Now we want the red color to be behind the blue color, so we grab the last keyframe of the red light and put it on the next point. This will make it slow, and after that we are done with this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications and check out more tutorials with the link below. Peace out.